Here we've got LG V40 ThinQ, and let me show you how to activate photo timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, then locate and click on the settings icon right here, and just go to the timer right there. So just click on it and now select the period of time after which you would like to have the photo to be taken. It can be 5 seconds, for example. And as you can see, from now on, once you click, there will be a 5 seconds countdown. Here it is. And that's it. As you can see, your timer is active. Then you can switch it off or change the value the same way. Just click on timer and then switch it off or change to some other number. And this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily turn on and off timer in your camera. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.